In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Garmin Basecamp maps. Keeping your maps up to date is crucial for the best navigation experience, whether you're hiking in the backcountry or just navigating through the city. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you have the most current maps installed on your device. To begin, make sure you have your Garmin Basecamp software open and ready on your computer. This software is vital for downloading and managing your maps, so if you don't have it yet, head over to the Garmin website and get it installed. Once you're ready, open up Basecamp and navigate to the Maps section. This is generally located towards the top of your screen in the toolbar. The Maps section holds all the critical options for managing your map data. After you're in the Maps menu, look for an option called Map Options. This is where you'll find various settings related to your maps. Selecting this will reveal a menu with various options, and you'll want to click on Install Maps. This is the key step for downloading the latest map versions onto your PC. By selecting Install Maps, you initiate the download process for the latest available maps compatible with your Garmin device. Depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the map update, this may take some time. It's a good idea to ensure that your computer stays on during this download to avoid any interruptions. Once the download is complete, you'll want to verify that the maps have installed correctly on your device. To do this, you can check within Basecamp itself by reviewing the maps listed under the Maps menu once more. You should see the newly downloaded map version listed here. This update process not only keeps your maps current, but also enhances the routing algorithms, giving you the most accurate and optimized paths for your journeys. Remember, keeping your maps up to date ensures that you're always using the latest data available, which leads to a safer and more reliable navigation experience. In summary, updating your Garmin Basecamp maps involves navigating to the Maps section, selecting Map Options, and then clicking on Install Maps. It's a straightforward process that significantly improves the accuracy and safety of your journeys. If you ever encounter any issues during installation, be sure to check out Garmin's support page, as it offers detailed troubleshooting advice. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this has been a helpful guide for updating your Garmin Basecamp maps. Feel free to reach out with any questions or concerns, and don't forget to keep your maps and software regularly updated for the best performance. Safe travels and happy exploring.